The concrete mix ratio calculator solves a fundamental engineering problem, determining precise material quantities for concrete batching. Instead of manually calculating cement, sand, gravel, and water proportions based on mix ratios, this tool instantly provides exact quantities needed for your specified volume and strength requirements. Let's examine each input field. First, we have volume needed, where you enter the total concrete volume required for your project. Next is volume unit, which offers three options: cubic yards, cubic feet, or cubic meters. Choose the unit that matches your project specifications. The desired strength dropdown provides four standard mix ratios: normal strength at 1:4, high strength at 1:1.53, foundation at 1:36, and lean mix at 1:4.8. For our demonstration, we'll select normal strength. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're pouring a foundation slab requiring 12 cubic yards of concrete. Enter 12 in the volume needed field. Select cubic yards from the volume unit dropdown. Choose normal strength from the desired strength options. Click Calculate Mix Quantities. The calculator returns four material quantities. Cement shows 5.33 cubic yards. Sand displays 10.67 cubic yards. Gravel indicates 21.33 cubic yards. And water specifies 2.40 cubic yards. These volumes represent the exact proportions needed to achieve your specified strength. These calculations account for typical material densities and water-cement ratios. Each output represents the actual volume of raw materials you'll need to order and batch. The water quantity assumes optimal workability for the selected mix design. This ensures the mix is neither too dry nor too fluid for structural integrity. Remember, always add 5 to 10% extra to account for waste and overage. Running short mid-pour is a critical error that compromises structural integrity. Using this tool ensures consistency and precision in your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.